So I know the syntax for the XLOOKUP function can seem like a lot. Let's look at each of these parameters and try and understand them individually. We start off with the lookup value. This is literally the value that you are trying to look up and find the matching value for. So you need to look up this value in a list, and it is this lookup array, which is the second part of the syntax. This is the array or the range that you want to search for your initial lookup value. Once this has been searched, now you want to link your return array, which is from where you will be able to pull the matching value which corresponds to your lookup value. Finally, we have these three optional parameters: what happens when some value is not found, the match mode, and the search mode. So not found is essentially where you can pass a text string or a number value or even a blank value within quotes, the value that you want the function to return if there is no match found for your lookup value. This is an extremely useful feature because for the people who've been using Excel for a while know that we often had to encase our VLOOKUP functions in these if error brackets in order to make our sheet look clean. And now XLOOKUP offers us this feature within its own syntax. So this is an extremely useful feature to have, and I will demonstrate how we will use each of these different values in our upcoming project work. Finally, we come to the match mode and the search mode. The match mode is again, how you want the match to happen. So 0 means the exact match. This is the default value, and this is what you will actually use most of the time within your VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP cases. So this is what we will be using for most of our exercises. I will be demonstrating to you the use of the -1 and the 1 parameter in the case of creating lookup replacements. And just to clarify that within this course, we will not be showing you how to use the 2 parameter, which is the wildcard match, and we will also not be looking at the final optional parameter known as the search mode. In our view, this is something which is almost never used by the casual Excel user, and in order to understand this feature, you will have to sort of wade through a lot of complexity. So it's a lot of hard work and a lot of chaos that you will need to wade through for very little return. So what we are going to do is that we are going to skip this for now. However, if you feel that you have a use case where you need to use the search mode options, then go ahead and write to us, and we will make sure that we respond to your query in the fastest possible time. And if we have enough of our students who are interested in this, then we will go ahead and post bonus videos about this in the upcoming days. So that's a little bit about the various parameters that the XLOOKUP function offers you. And now, without wasting any time on PPTs, I don't think that's what you are here for. Let's jump right into the data set and into our hands-on work.